Hey, what's up, y'all? Gonna try out this engine repair. Bars leaks, high mileage engine repair. So this motor started shaking due to cheap oil put in by the local shop I went to. But anyways, by the time the oil change was due, I was at less than a quart of oil in my motor. So I didn't know that, was on the highway, and the car went to limp mode. Anyways, so I'm gonna attempt to use this first, see if we can get a little bit out of the engine first before we actually have to rebuild it or replace it. So I figure I'd give it a shot. Anyways, here is how my engine sounds like. Ooh, shaking. I don't know if you can feel that, but motor been sitting for a few days, actually a couple weeks actually. Let's go for a drive. So this will show you how my car runs right now. Sputtering. Sputters. Doesn't want to go. So I was getting a check engine light for multiple random misfires and then also misfire cylinder 1 and cylinder 3. But if you can see it, I'm trying to give it gas, but it's sputtering. It doesn't really want to go. So we're gonna add that bottle into it, and then let it run for a little bit. All right, so it says to not overfill the engine, so I just did an oil change on it after I found out the problem, and it's full right now, so I gotta drain some out to add this in there. All right, so this engine repair here is supposed to restore performance, increase compression and horsepower. Also has stop leaks, noise, and smoking in there. All these check boxes are what it's supposed to fix. So let's give it a try. All right, so I just drained out the about a quart of oil, I believe. I don't remember exactly, but I counted about 10 seconds. But if we're down too low, I'll add more. Still have more oil. Yeah, they make it so hard to open. All right, here it goes. You can see there's 2 chambers in there. There's 2 different formulas they have. One is super thick. I think that's enough. All right, guys. I've added that bottle in here. Started back up. Just revving it right now. It revs pretty smooth. So let's see. Take it for a drive. Take it for a drive. Let's see. Take it for a drive. It drives a lot smoother, but still a little sputtering, but I can actually give it gas and it'll actually go. So we'll give it a little bit. It says depending on the how bad the problem is, it might work immediately or to drive it for at least 250 miles. But so far I do feel a little bit of improvement already. Probably just need to drive it a little bit, get all that formula to go through the engine and fill in the gaps or whatever it needs to. But you can see here the engine revs a lot smoother. So I'll just let it idle here for probably about 15 minutes or so while I do the oil change on my other car. Lifted EK, there you go. K24 swap. All right, I've let this idle for probably about 15-20 minutes now, and it seems pretty smooth. I'll take it for another drive. fast. That's crazy, y'all. That is crazy.